everyone to Yoga with Heena Vaze, and I'm your instructor Neha. We are following a series of 30 days 10 minutes yoga practice, and we are on day 12. If you have randomly found this video while scrolling, please don't forget to subscribe the channel before this video vanishes. We are covering a lot of variations in this series and I hope you all are enjoying it. Those who have missed the previous videos, I would suggest please complete them as well and practice today as well. So let's begin. Please place your mat at an open space. Sit comfortably into Siddhasana. Place your hands gently on your thighs in Jnana Mudra and eyes closed. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. Set your intentions for the next 10 minutes. Relax. Let's chant Omkar 3 times. Breathe in. Om. Breathe in. Om. Breathe in. Om. Rub your palms. Cup your eyes. Open your eyes in your hands. Rub your palms on your face. Relax. Welcome to the session, everyone. Now, today we are going to start with a different move. For that, you have to sit in Malasana. Okay, sit on both your legs like this. Now, make sure your knees are spreading out. Okay, like this. Stretch as much as possible and try not to fall forward like this. Okay, try to keep your back straight. If it is not happening for you today, it's okay. It will happen gradually, but you have to keep practicing. Okay, now we'll hold our hands like this. Okay, and now drop your right knee towards right like this. Again, back and left. Back and right. This way. Continue right and left. A few times we are dropping our knees. After that, we'll simply go for swinging motion. And now we can simply go for swinging motion. That means touching of the knee is not important. Observe your pelvis, your thigh movements, your hip movement. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Come back to your center. Release your pose. Sit comfortably and relax. Take a breath. Inhale and exhale. Calm down. And now we'll come to our tabletop position. Both the hands, place them firmly and spreading out my fingers like this. Place your knees. And now observe your position. Shoulder and palms must be in one line. Hips and knees must be in one line. We are maintaining shoulder level distance between our hands, knees and our feet. First, let's start with our cat and cow motion. Breathe in, inhale, head up, Open your hips, tuck your toes. Breathe out, exhale, flex your toes, head inwards. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, roll down. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, roll down. Continue in your own gentle speed. Okay? We have to observe our spine, the gentle stretches. You can even close your eyes to feel the stretch. Last few times. Center, come to your neutral position and relax. Now what we are going to do, we are going to stretch out our right hand and left leg like this. You can look at your right hand or anything in front of you. Try to maintain a straight line and engage your core muscles. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly down and opposite. Stretch out your left hand and right leg. Hold here. Keep breathing normally. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly down. Now as it is, come back to Vajrasana. Just relax your wrist a bit. Take a breath. Relax. Now again, come back to your tabletop position. We'll go for tiger pose. Now what you have to do, lift your right leg straight back. Okay, and now fold it upwards to 90 degrees. Come to this pose first. Settle down into this pose. And now start moving your knee up and down. Up and down. Observe your hip muscles, your groin area, your pelvis. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly leg straight, leg down. And opposite, stretch out your left leg. Fold it upwards to 90 degrees. Make sure you're not pressing it like this, okay? Maintain a 90 degree. And start moving. We are moving upwards and center. Upwards and center. Not moving downwards. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly leg straight, leg down. Now gently go back to Shashankasan. Hips on your heels. Spread out your knees. Slide forward. Bend down. Relax your breathings. Calm down. Once your breathings are normal, you feel better, just simply place both your hands under your shoulders, lift up, relax. Come back to your center. Inhale and exhale. Now we'll go for a back stretch. We'll keep sitting in Vajrasana. Place both your hands behind your hips like this. Okay? Fingers are pointing inwards and not outwards. This is not right. You can place them inwards or sideways like this. Okay? Now, once you're comfortable, try lifting your hips up. Stretch back. Slowly down. Again, up and down. Again, up, down. Up, down. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Center and relax. Now you can keep sitting in Vajrasana or you can sit in a comfortable cross-leg position. Place your one hand on your chest, one hand on your belly. Focus on your breath. Observe your breathing silently. Let it settle down. Exhale all your negative energy, negative thoughts. Once you feel ready, let's join our hands and chant one Omkar with 3 Shantis all together. Breathe in. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rub your palms. Cup your eyes. Open your eyes in your hands. Rub your palms on your face, on your body. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. I hope you all are enjoying the session. We are slowly increasing our intensity as we have reached day 12 now. And I would please suggest you to share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to press on the like button if you like the videos. I will see you in the next video. Take care and bye-bye.